Hello student. Now in this session we are going to discuss types of chemical reaction. In previous video we study about the characteristics of chemical reaction. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss types of chemical reaction. Okay, now according to your syllabus there are 4 types of chemical reaction. Okay, now look here. First one, types of chemical reaction. First one, direct combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third one, displacement reaction. And fourth one, double decomposition reaction. So these 4 types of chemical reaction. Okay, in which first one is direct combination reaction. Okay, now look here. Now start with direct combination reaction. Okay, now what is the meaning of direct combination reaction? Yeah, how can we define combination reaction? Okay, now when 2 or more than 2 reactants react to each other and form a single product are known as direct combination reaction. Okay, look here. When two or more than 2 reactants reacts to each other and form single product. Okay, single product reaction are known as direct combination reaction. Direct combination reaction. Okay, so what is the definition? Definition is that 2 or more than 2 reactants, a type of chemical reaction in which 2 or more than 2 reactants react to each other and form a single product. Okay, known as direct combination reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. Okay, for example, carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Ammonia reacts with water to form ammonium hydroxide. Okay, now look here. Here 2 reactants, okay, and react to each other and form single product. In first carbon dioxide, in second ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so these are the example of direct combination reaction. Okay, now look here. This direct combination reaction further divided into 3 categories. Okay, first is that when reactants are elements. Okay, means when 2 reactants are element. When 2 reactants are element, it means 2 reactants are element. For example, carbon plus oxygen for carbon dioxide. Okay, here carbon element and oxygen element. Okay, now second when one is element, okay, and other is compound. One is element and other is compound. Okay. Now example, carbon monoxide plus oxygen. This one is the compound and this one is the element, and there is formation of once again carbon dioxide. Okay, so second category, when one is element and other is compound. Example. Now next type of combination reaction, look here. Now first one is two reactants are elements. Look here, elements, carbon dioxide. Now second, one is element and other is compound. Okay, look here. Now the next is that when reactants are compounds. Okay, when reactants are compound. Okay, now look here. When reactants are compound, reactants are compounds. Look here. SO2 sulfur dioxide and H2O, sulfur dioxide and H2O. Okay, there is formation of H2SO3, sulfurous acid. Okay, the name of this compound is sulfurous acid. So look here, this is compound and this is compound. Both are compounds. Okay, and react to each other and form a single product. Another example, carbon dioxide plus H2O to form H2CO3, carbonic acid. This one is carbonic acid, this one is the sulfurous acid. So these are about the direct combination reaction. Okay, what is direct combination reaction? Direct combination reaction means a type of chemical reaction in which two or more than two reactants react to each other and form a single product. Okay, now combination reaction further classified into three groups. First group, in which reactants are elements, when two reactants are elements. Now the second one, where one reactants are elements and another are compound, and the third is when both reactants are compound. Okay, so these are the direct combination reaction. Now look here, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen. Okay, reversible reaction and formation of ammonia with liberation of heat. Okay, now it is the balance reaction. Okay, now look here, two reactants react to each other, okay, and form a single product. So this is an example of direct combination or synthesis reaction. Okay, now next example, look here. Carbon reacts with oxygen. There is formation of carbon dioxide. Now it is an example of oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction means addition of oxygen, a type of reaction in which oxygen are added, then reaction are known as oxidation reaction. So this is an example of oxidation reaction as combination reaction. But all combination reaction are not oxidation reaction. Okay, so this is the another example. Okay, now look here, direct combination reaction are help in the formation of some salt. Okay, now look here. Iron reacts with chlorine, okay, to form FeCl3. Okay, okay. Balance reaction. Ferric chloride. Okay. Now these are the combination reaction. Okay. Example of combination reaction. Now, why it is known as synthesis reaction? Why it is known as synthesis reaction? Because a lot of salt or other substance are formed with this method. Now look here. Here ammonia. Okay, ammonia is a gas formed by direct combination reaction. Okay, now look here. Direct combination reaction. Iron third chloride. The name of this compound is iron third chloride. Okay. So these are about the direct combination reaction. Next one, decomposition reaction. Okay. So what is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction means simply a type of chemical reaction in which some chemical compound decomposes to give new substance or new product. Okay, so simply decomposition reaction, a type of reaction. Okay, a type of reaction in which some chemical compound decomposes to give two or more than two new substance or product are known as decomposition reaction. So a type of reaction in which some chemical compound decompose to give two or more than two new substance or product. Okay, now look here. Lead nitrate. Okay, lead nitrate on decomposes. Okay, on decomposes, it dissociates into lead monoxide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay. This is an example of decomposition reaction. Okay, in which lead nitrate on heating, okay, decomposes into lead monoxide and the common name is lethal, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. Okay, now look here. In this decomposition reaction, in this example, lead nitrate dissociate to form compound and element. Okay, so decomposition reaction also divided into sub reaction in three category. Okay, three category. First, decompose to give element and element. Second, decompose to give element and compound. And decompose to give compound. Okay, either decompose to give element as well as compound. Okay, now look example. In case of it decompose to give okay, now Hg mercury oxide. Okay, so it decomposes to give mercury and oxygen, both are element. Okay, now decompose to give element and compound. Example, look here, potassium nitrate, it decompose to gives KnO2 plus oxygen. Okay, look here, this is compound and this is element. Okay, now next, decompose to give compound. Okay, compound and compound. For example, H2CO3 decompose to give H2 plus carbon dioxide gas. So these are the decomposition reaction and example of decomposition reaction. When decomposition reaction takes place through heat, then it is known as thermal decomposition. When decomposition reaction takes place through electricity, okay, then known as electrolytic decomposition. Okay, and when decomposition reaction takes place through sunlight, then reaction are known as photochemical decomposition. Means reaction proceed through sunlight. Means simply when substance decomposes in presence of heat, reaction are known as thermal decomposition, and when substance as chemical compound decomposes in presence of electricity, known as electrolytic decomposition, and when substance are decomposes by sunlight, known as photochemical decomposition reaction. Okay, so these are about the types of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Okay, now in next session we will study other two chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction and double decomposition reaction.